Buckle up, because today we are stepping into a world where raw hypercar performance meets unimaginable luxury on wheels. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Camper, a machine that doesn't just redefine travel, it reinvents it. When you hear the name Bugatti, you think of speed, power, and exclusivity. But what happens when that DNA is poured into a rolling mansion? The result is nothing short of breathtaking. The exterior is pure automotive art. The iconic horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by aggressive LED light blades that slice through the night like a supercar on the Autobahn. Every line is sculpted with precision, merging aerodynamic elegance with muscular presence. The two-tone paintwork, crafted with Bugatti's signature attention to detail, reflects light like liquid metal. The wheels? Massive, forged alloys that combine supercar aesthetics with off-road strength, making this motorhome equally at home on highways, coastal roads, or even mountain passes. But under the hood is where things get truly wild. Bugatti didn't settle for a typical RV engine. This motorhome roars with a quad-turbocharged W16 hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,500 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with the heart of a hypercar. It doesn't just move, it surges forward with authority, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds despite its size. Advanced suspension systems and active aerodynamics ensure stability and comfort at every speed, while all-wheel drive makes sure no destination is out of reach. Step inside, and the magic continues. The interior is a private palace on wheels, infused with Bugatti's French artistry and craftsmanship. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leathers, Alcantara, and polished carbon fiber. Crystal ambient lighting flows seamlessly through the cabin, creating an atmosphere of elegance and serenity. The lounge area features recliner seats with massage and memory foam, a panoramic glass ceiling overhead, and a 4K cinema system that folds out at the push of a button. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury penthouse suite. Move further back, and the kitchen is unlike any RV kitchen you've ever seen. Hand-finished cabinetry, a smart refrigerator, induction cooktops, and even a hidden wine cellar make cooking on the road a 5-star experience. Bugatti integrates its state-of-the-art technology with voice commands that control lighting, climate, and entertainment, all at your fingertips. The bedroom is a sanctuary of rest. A king-size bed floats above underfloor lighting, surrounded by walls lined with custom artwork and acoustic panels for a perfect night's sleep. With a panoramic rear window, you wake up to views of oceans, deserts, or skylines as if nature itself was painted for you. The bathroom is finished with marble accents, a rainfall shower, and heated floors, all the indulgence of a luxury spa. Bugatti has also thought about exclusivity. Only a handful of these motorhome campers will ever exist, each tailored to the exact desires of its owner. From custom interiors to bespoke exterior paintwork, no two will ever be the same. This is a rolling masterpiece, a fusion of hypercar engineering and ultra-luxury living. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Camper isn't just transportation, it's an experience. It's a symbol of freedom without compromise, where every journey feels like a grand performance. It's for those who don't just want to see the world, but want to own the road in the most powerful, most luxurious motorhome ever created. This is Bugatti's ultimate statement: luxury, performance, and art combined into one breathtaking machine. And for the few who get to call this masterpiece their own, the open road will never be the same again.